Hi guys, this is Katie, and today we are heading to Nanjing in China. So speed train travel is a very popular way of getting around China. It is quite a bit more affordable than other options like flying, especially when you go in the touristy seasons. But like I said before, just make sure to book those tickets in advance because they can sell out very quickly, especially if you are visiting during the Chinese New Year, during the Golden Week, all of those types of times. But we are heading to Nanjing and checking into our hotel. So we have arrived in Nanjing, we've checked into our hotel, and I thought I'd give you a quick room tour of our hotel here in Nanjing. So we are staying at the Gudu Wenhan Business Hotel, and I think this is a chain of business style hotels here in China. We haven't heard of them before, but one of my friends is staying in the one in Chengdu, and yeah, so they're like a chain of Chinese business hotels. You can tell it's clean. You have your TV, kettle, water, no fridge annoyingly. I always love having a fridge in a room. This is the window. It's got quite a nice view. There's like two little seats here as well for us to chill out on, and here is the view. It's a really nice view actually of the city. This building here we're hoping to go up to at some point whilst we're here, and yes, it's a really nice view of the city, I must say. And the aircon, I've just like stood in the way of the aircon and it is working beautifully. The bed, only one pillow each, so we're going to pop downstairs. Normally in hotels in China you will find that they will give you one pillow, but normally you can go downstairs and ask if they've got a spare one, and they're pretty good at things like that. It also came with one of these, a mosquito thing. You plug them in and it just makes sure that you don't have mosquitoes in your room, which is super helpful for the summer. And yeah, so we've got a little piece of artwork, and yes, that's the room. So we had just the one day in Nanjing, and the reason we stopped by here is because we were recommended to do so by my teaching assistant and friend Jessie. So the reason most people will come to Nanjing, apart from to explore the city, is to visit the Nanjing Memorial, which is what we did on our full day in the city. So the official name for this memorial is the Memorial Hall of the Victims in Nanjing Massacre, and this is a very somber but interesting place to visit whilst you're here. The memorial remembers over 300,000 victims that were killed during World War II by Japanese forces after the ancient capital city fell on December 13th, 1937. Once the then capital city fell, Nanjing residents suffered numerous atrocities, and this memorial was made to educate, remember, and remind us to choose peace, not war.